Hello everyone. Not long ago, my parents asked me, "What exactly do you want to do with computers?" I smiled and said, "You know how your food delivery app knows exactly where to go, or how your banking app shows your balance instantly." That's the backend development. It's the invisible part of technology that makes everything else work. Today, I want to share with you why backend development, something most people doesn't ever see, is becoming one of the most important career in technology. As someone who's been studying backend development and practicing it through coding projects, I've realized how essential this role is. And even if you don't into tech, I hope you'll walk away from this speech with a clear and relatable understanding why backend development is most important matters so much. Backend development is growing so fast, and it largely because of two reasons. The first is our increasing dependence on data, and the other one is the rapid expansion of cloud computing. Let's start with data. Today, companies in nearly every industry, from hospitals to online stores, rely on data to make decisions, to run operations, or to serve customers. But that data doesn't just sit in the spreadsheet. It lives in systems that someone has to design, has to build, or has to protect. And that's what backend developers do. They create the behind-the-scene logic that keeps all of that data flowing securely and efficiently. Let's make it more real. Imagine logging into your banking account and seeing nothing. No balance, no history, just a blank screen. That's what can happen when backend fails. Without backend developers, the app and the site we depend on cannot deliver the data we need to, or protect it from being lost or hacked. So now let's talk about the second major reasons backend development is booming. Cloud computing. Apps today are not stored on your phones. They run on massive systems and hosted across the globe. That's the cloud. Think about streaming Netflix, whether you are watching on your phone or smart TV. The content loads instantly. That kind of performance requires higher scalable and efficient backend systems. Backend developers are the ones who build the system and handle millions of users at the same time. And this trend is only growing. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2024, software development jobs are projected to grow by 23% by 2032, with many of those roles focused on backend and cloud systems. This means companies everywhere are hiring developers who can work with cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, because that's where modern app lives. So today I've talked about the two big reasons backend development is rising as fast as a career. First, our growing dependence on data, and second, the continual expansion of cloud-based platforms. Backend development might not be flashy or visible, but it's powerful. It's the engine behind nearly everything you do online, from ordering lunch to managing your money to watching your favorite show. So the next time your favorite app works exactly how you expect it to, remember, someone like me might be behind it, writing the code that quietly keeps it running. Thank you.